Hello folks, in this video we'll show you how to set up OTP over email for two-factor authentication in Jenkins 2FA plugin. From the Manage Jenkins dashboard, navigate to the Security section. The admin can set up SMTP server to receive OTP via email. Now, fill in the required SMTP details and click Save to apply the email notification settings. Navigate to the 2FA plugin in Manage Jenkins to enable OTP over email. Please ensure first that the 2FA is enabled for all the users. Let's go to OTP over email card. After enabling OTP over email toggle, the admin needs to enter the sender email address. After entering sender email, the admin needs to save the configurations. Now let's take a look at how the inline registration process will appear for users. When the user logs in for the first time after the 2FA method has been configured, they will need to enter their username and password. They will need to enter their username and password, which serves as the first factor of authentication. They will be prompted with configured two-factor page. They will then need to click on Send OTP. They will then have to enter the OTP received on their email and click on Validate. And they will be securely logged into their instance without any issues. Let's now see how the user flow looks once the inline registration is completed after their first login. Just like during the first login, the user is prompted again to enter their username and password as the first layer of authentication. After entering their username and password, the user clicks on Sign In. They will then be prompted to request for an OTP. The user then receives the OTP on their registered email, and all they have to do is enter the OTP and click on Validate. After clicking Validate, they can securely log in to their instance without any issues. And that's how the entire OTP over email 2FA flow works in the Jenkins 2FA plugin.